Hello everyone. In this project night, I'm going to show you how to connect the Raspberry Pi to my laptop through Bluetooth and receiving the IMU data from the ESP32 to Raspberry Pi and to my PC. So first of all, we need to um, connect the Raspberry Pi to my PC through the Bluetooth. Right now I already connect um, the Raspberry Pi to my PC. We can also use the Bluetooth manager to connect the Raspberry Pi to our PC or laptop through Bluetooth. Next, we need to go to open the control panel and check the serial command port for our Bluetooth. And we can check what's the service for the serial port over the Bluetooth. Right now, my Raspberry Pi is connected to the COM port 10. Then next, we will need to um, open the serial monitor. I'm using the motor terminal. Now go to the serial. Open the command port is the COM 10. And we select speed is the 9600. It's no flow control. A bit data, 1 bit start. Power is not no flow control. Yeah, okay. Then you'll be connect to the Raspberry Pi through our Bluetooth. We ping out the login message here. Next, we can try to receive the data from the ESP32. We can enter the command can. Now we can moving our quadcopter. You will see the rotation. The IMU data is changing. That's how we receive the IMU data from the Raspberry Pi to our host PC through Bluetooth. Thank you for watching.